Hello everyone, welcome back to iCloud Geeks. I'm Sabrina, and in today's video, I'm going to tell you a quick and easy way to unlock your locked iPhone or iCloud activated iDevice using a fantastic online tool. And the best part? It's 100% free. So, let's get started. Before we get into the tool, let's quickly understand what an iCloud lock is. Amy will briefly explain to you what iCloud lock actually is.
You can skip this video and visit the website i.cloud to unlock your device directly. You can skip this video and visit the website i.cloud to unlock your device directly.
Let's walk through the steps to use this tool. It's straightforward and quick. First, open your web browser and go to ie.cloud/tool. It's AYI.cloud/tool. You can also see this link on the screen. Once you're on the website, you'll see a simple interface. Now, to unlock your device, to enter the 15-digit IMEI number of your locked device. You can find this number by dialing *#06# on your phone. Here are some additional steps that you need to follow to unlock your iCloud locked device. Step 1. Enter your 15-digit IMEI number and click on the Next button. On the next page, you'll see a few options like Unlock iCloud, Bypass Activation, and AES-256 encryption, etc. You can choose to unlock iCloud if you want to remove the iCloud lock. Alternatively, select Bypass Activation if you just need to bypass the activation lock on your iPhone and other devices.
You can skip this video and visit the website i.cloud to unlock your device directly.
2. Choose your option. Once you've selected your option, click on the Start button to initiate the unlocking process. Now, the tool will start processing your request. During this time, make sure not to navigate away from this page or close your browser. The process usually takes a few minutes, so be patient. Step 3. Wait for the process to complete. Once the process is complete, you'll receive a confirmation message that your device has been unlocked. Step 4. Reboot your device. To finalize the unlocking, you'll need to reboot your iPhone or iDevice. After rebooting, you can see that the iCloud lock has been removed, and your device is ready to use. It's that simple.
Here I would like to add that if for some reason the tool doesn't work,
you can skip this video and visit the website i.cloud to unlock your device directly.
Don't worry. Simply refresh the page and try again. Since this is an online tool, sometimes resources like scripts may not load completely, leading to a failure. Refreshing the page usually resolves this issue. If the problem persists, make sure you have a stable internet connection and try using a different browser.
This tool supports a wide range of devices, including iPhone models from iPhone 5 to iPhone 15 Pro Max, and various iPad models as well. It's easy to use, and doesn't require any technical knowledge. It's completely free, and there's no need to download anything, so your computer stays safe from malware. Plus, it's regularly updated to support new devices and iOS versions. That's all for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. If you have any questions or need further assistance with unlocking your device, drop a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye!